Cloud architecture forms the foundation of many modern technological solutions, enabling organizations to store, manage, and process data efficiently over the internet. At its core, cloud systems consist of interconnected servers, storage, and networking components that work together to deliver scalable and flexible computing resources. This approach eliminates the need for physical infrastructure on-site, reducing costs and increasing accessibility. As businesses and individuals increasingly rely on digital services, understanding the basics of cloud architecture becomes essential to grasp its transformative impact on how we work and communicate. Cloud architecture plays a crucial role in helping businesses scale their operations seamlessly. By leveraging cloud-based solutions, organizations can efficiently handle surges in workloads and accommodate growing user demands without significant infrastructure changes. The flexibility of cloud platforms allows resources to be allocated dynamically, ensuring optimal performance during peak times. This adaptability not only improves efficiency but also supports business growth by providing a reliable foundation for expansion. As a result, companies can respond quickly to changing market conditions and customer needs. Cloud architecture plays a crucial role in delivering reliable and consistent performance for modern businesses. By distributing workloads across multiple servers and data centers, cloud systems are designed to minimize downtime and quickly recover from failures. Automated monitoring and self-healing mechanisms help detect issues before they impact users, ensuring high availability. These features support business continuity, allowing organizations to maintain operations even during unexpected disruptions. As a result, companies can rely on cloud infrastructure to keep their services running smoothly and efficiently. In summary, cloud architecture stands as a cornerstone for organizations seeking both growth and long-term stability. By enabling scalable resources, enhanced security, and cost-effective operations, it empowers businesses to adapt quickly to changing market demands. The flexibility offered by cloud solutions allows teams to innovate and collaborate more efficiently, while robust disaster recovery options safeguard critical data. Ultimately, adopting cloud architecture positions organizations to thrive in an increasingly digital world, ensuring they remain competitive and resilient.